But
he
why
goes
doesn't
on with
Amorim want Rashford?
why does Amorim doesn't want Rashford?
Yeah, for disciplinary issues.
Yes, or Entourage is very much not focused on football, and he's very much off-field issues. So he doesn't want him at all. কিছু একটা করছে, I think ও মিথ্যা কথা বলছিল। So মেইন কথা হচ্ছিল যে ওকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে তুমি কি বাইরে গেছো নাকি পার্টি করতে, ও বলছে যে না আমি যাইনি। তো বলছে যে এটা রিপোর্ট করা হয়েছে। So then he was like no I didn't go, and then Ruben Amorim found out that he went to party. So তারপরে সে এভারটনের এগেইনস্টে গোল করছে, করার পরে আবার পার্টি করতে গেছে এবং he was so drunk যে সে ট্রেনিং ভালো করতে পারে নাই। So that is the
So
rumor.
unprofessional, man.
So তখন Amorim বলছে okay enough is enough, you're not gonna be part of my team.
Can we?
তারপরে I think he could have patched it up, but then he went out and gave an interview that when he leaves Manchester United he's not gonna talk shit about Manchester United, and that really ruffled the feathers with Amorim. It's like, why did you go and talk to a journalist? You should have talked to me.